how to send 500 clicks to any offer. Okay, 500 clicks to any offer online and make it profitable. As you can see over here, right? I'm going to show you. You can see 582 clicks. So basically, I sent not just from Google, but also from my own traffic rotator. Okay, half. I sent to one of the offers online. So that is proven to work and really doing well. So as you can see over here, we had 45 conversions on 45 sales. And here is the result, 2,500 euros. Now, why this matters? I'm going to show you just in a minute, because once you have buyers clicks, you will finally and naturally be able to start generating $100, $300, $1,000 per day on a different offers. Okay, so let me show you step by step exactly in 2025 how you, as a beginner, can put it into action. Now, as you can see over here, right, let me give you the breakthrough, first of all, the 500 clicks breakthrough. If you do affiliate marketing, ClickBank as a beginner, MaxWeb, CPay offers, right, private offers, whatever you're promoting, you know that you need traffic, website visitors, okay? So you can see we had, let's say 500 clicks. This is basically 9%, almost 9% conversion, 45 sales, and average order value, or let's say it was around $62. Okay, why I'm saying let's say, because they have also the upsell take rate. Okay, so the main offer is $62, and then there's the upsells and downsells. That's why I'm always telling you, my friend, as you watch this video, if you want to be profitable with ClickBank or any other affiliate network, you need to understand there is the framework behind the scenes that most of the gurus are not sharing with you in their courses. So let me show you how this works. With Google pay-per-click ads, what you have to understand that is different game than Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Why? Because all of those I mentioned are social media platforms on which you can advertise, you can get clicks, you can get buyers. Yes, but the way the psychology of marketing is framed on those networks will determine are you losing money or making money with your paid ads. Okay, so for example, on Google, people are already in solution seeking state. They have a problem. They go on Google search, they type in, for example, how to lose weight, uh, how to how to get rid of my back pain, okay, how to do woodworking, whatever, play golf, right? Hobby niches on ClickBank. So you have to understand, once you have the right strategy, you will be able to position your offer correctly. You have the right message to the market match, and this is all it matters. Okay, it's not your fault if you have lost money in the past. Maybe you bought $3,000, $5,000 courses, you lost money, but it's not your fault because you maybe followed the wrong, outdated advice that used to work 2-3 years ago, but now algorithm is changing. So why this works? Let me show you first of all. Okay, the number one thing you have to understand is when you're sending traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, you don't have to show your face. You don't have to make any videos. It's all text. So what matters is what happens before the sale. This is where the money is. The money is in the buyer's clicks. If you have ever heard people say the money is in the email list, it's wrong. We are not building any email list. We are sending traffic straight to the affiliate link, affiliate offer. Of course, we have a website. We have quiz funnel. Okay, because funnels is, you know what? Let me show you here. What are funnels? Funnels are not websites, are not web pages. Funnels are decision making process. Okay, so decision making processing, that's it. Different pages, different decision making, psychology making progress. Okay, now let me show you how this works in action and why this works, why we can have these results in 2025 going in 2026, because it's all about psychological ad structures for low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. You see, you have males and females audiences. So you have to have the right message to the market match, my friend, in order for you to make money, to make conversion, to make a sale. Again, if you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, you can do this. Because all you have to do is send traffic to your affiliate link. And just like this, you make the sale, you make conversions over and over again. Okay, so this is what matters in 2025. And of course, the exact VH framework we are using to determine, is this low emotional states, higher emotional state audiences? So language patterns in ad copy are really, really important. Okay, this is what makes or breaks the sale. Now, You see what most people do? The mistakes 99% of affiliates do. And it's not your fault if you have tried this before. They try to follow thousands of other people who are buying guru courses. And then on ClickBank, for example, they teach you in their course, uh, create weird, ugly images, which maybe for you makes sense because, hey, yes, I get a lot of clicks. But then, heck, you wonder, why the heck I'm not getting any sales on ClickBank? Yeah, again, it's not your fault. You follow the wrong advice, wrong method, wrong strategy, wrong blueprint. In 2025, it's not about curiosity clicks. If you're doing this, as you can see here on my screen, you're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. You're catching curiosity clickers, people who are just curious, but they're not making any buying decisions now. So by now, you should know that you need someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way in 2025 to build actual, for example, Google ad pay-per-click campaign or Facebook ad campaign. Doesn't matter. What matters is to have the right framework, the right strategy in 2025, okay, that can turn your life around. I'm not talking about millions of dollars here. I'm talking about $100 per day, $500 per day, right? Ask yourself, what would that have done for you? Having extra $500 in a day, or at least $300 in a day, or $200 in a day, right? Some people would be happy with $500 a week, which maybe doesn't sound a lot for you watching this video. I don't know what your goal is, but I cannot tell you how much you will make, but I can tell you how to make it. And then how much you make is entirely up to you. Okay, so you can see over here, look how it works. Maybe you spend 35 US dollars today and you make a sale for $216 and your profit is 181 US dollars in a day. Okay, and that's how it works. Because we know there are upsells, there are downsells. So it all matters. It matters what offer you're promoting and what kind of clicks you're getting. You don't need a lot of clicks. You need the right clicks. You need the buyer's clicks, not curiosity-based clicks. Okay, that's what matters if you want to have the results like this. As you can see, we get it done together over the Zoom call, build campaign one-on-one. And once this is up and running, you can start having results. So now decision is yours. You can keep trying. You can leave this YouTube video. You can go about your day. You can go tomorrow to your 9 to 5. Nothing wrong with that. Or you can say, no, I want to change something in 2025 to start having better results with affiliate marketing without showing your face. Okay? Maybe you want consistent results. Maybe you want sustainable income where you can do something extra with that money for yourself, for your family. I don't know what your goal dream is, but it's possible. It's still possible to make it with affiliate marketing in 2025 if you're serious, if you have at least 30 minutes or at least an hour a day to make it happen. Okay, so as you can see, those are the results. Let me show you. Okay, you can reach out to me later. I have my WhatsApp number. Yes, my personal WhatsApp number. You can text me there. You have my email, my Instagram, my Facebook Messenger. You can reach out to me, but only if you're serious, right? If you want to take it to the next level and actually start being profitable and have these kind of results in 2025. So do let me know, but only if you're serious, if you're not making excuses, procrastinating, whining, because there are people dumber than you making more money online. I'm saying it all over again. If you have time to scroll on your TikTok and Instagram and waste your time, you can do this. But if you have 30 minutes to invest for yourself to make it happen in an hour a day, wouldn't it be more smarter and also more profitable for you so you can make it happen? Again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.